Guys, this is Henry from HTP Boer farming. So today I got a bit different, something a bit different here. I got a hydroponic system which I left on purpose for a year to see how it comes out. What happens if you just leave it? I fed no nutrients, I just left the pump on. It's got a small little fish pump, and the fish pump just circulates the water. Nothing too major. You'll see most of everything died out. There's some grass that grew inside, some weeds, stuff you don't really want. But what I actually liked and what I hoped would happen was some would survive. The strong does survive. So as I said, I didn't come inside the house as often. So I would, if some pipes would get blocked, I would leave them. And like you see here, we have one pipe which is actually overflowing. So as I said, I left it on purpose, and it just kept on, some of it just kept on going. So hopefully we got some good genetics out of these, out of the seeds, and then we can well, keep these ones going in the system, and then maybe try and find the same seeds as we got for this one. So I did keep track of that. But yeah, as you see, even some parsley. See if we can zoom focus here. There we go. Some parsley that survived. Some Swiss chard. Some parsley again. So yeah, actually, all in all, I'm quite happy. But yeah, as you see, all of the grass and everything in here. Hey guys, it's Henry here from HTP Boer farming. So yeah, I got about halfway the other day cleaning the hydro system, the area here. Got some of the weeds out, some of the grass out. So yeah, let me set up you guys, and let me continue cleaning. But yeah, as you see, there's a few left. We got some survivors. Yeah, let's go. There, I think that should be enough. We can start planting. So yeah, it's clean enough to walk through there. So yeah, let me go get the seeds. Let's start planting. Okay, so yeah, got it cleaned up, got my seeds ready. What we're going to be planting is a bush bean, and then we got a few different types of Swiss chard here. We got a Swiss chard 1801, we got a Swiss chard green wave, and we got a Swiss chard Ford hook giant. So it's just the three different varieties that they had. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's start with the beans. Okay, that's the beans done. What we're going to start with? Let's start with this variety. It's a 40 to 60 day variety. So yeah, let's see how it does. I always plant 2 seeds together. Nice thing about the hydroponic system is it's always planting time. You can plant whenever. Don't have to wait for summer or winter, or you can create your own environment. So yeah, here in the house I just plant the greens that we eat. Put inside the house, here in the greenhouse. Okay, that's the 108 variety down. Let's go with the green wave. We normally always plant the Ford hook giant, so all of the ones you see that are up here are the Ford hook giants. So yeah, there we go. That's it. Let's plant it. Let's see in a few months how it, or a few weeks how it goes. Water coming in. Water going out. So yeah, that's the setup of my system. Let's see how it goes. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks. Yeah, got the feed. You got your feed. You got your feed.